Always align the model before extracting measurements. Click on the Auto Align button in the view bar at the top. All existing measurements will be cleared. Click on OK to continue. The Auto Measure tool can be found in the Operations bar at the right bottom. Click on the Auto Measure button. It will take about 30 to 40 seconds for retrieving measurements. The landmarks and measurements are rendered on the model. The most often used landmarks are visible. To view all the retrieved measurement, open the Measurements tree control by clicking on the button in the View Control.